Good morning children, welcome to our social session of third class. In this lesson today we have to learn about that our village lesson. In the last session we have to learn how to village life, how is the village life, what are the village life, village people, what are you daily they are doing there, how they are survived. And same as city people also living, city people how is there, what is the structure, what are the they have to done their life till morning to evening. What are the works they have to done in the cities? In the villages, what are the works they have to done? In the similarities are there, some differences there. Mostly village people goes to the agriculture works, field works to work in the fields. In that city people are working at offices and like workers and farms they have to done in the village city people. Morning to evening they have to go to the work and till evening they have to come back and they have to do their work. These are the city life and the village life. In the village one is the some facilities are there, that is Gram Panchayat office and post office, primary health center or sub centers and veterinary hospital. These are the some of that public institutions are there. What do in the Gram Panchayat? The people are associated with the Gram Panchayat office. They discuss with the facilities of their villages like street lights, roads, sanitaries, water and drainage system, and what about the new facilities they want, what is that, and what are the facilities they need. They have to discuss in the Gram Panchayat office. They need support to the money and they have to collect the fund and they have to do their works. In the Gram Panchayat, head of the person is that Gram Sarpanch, who is the head of the people in that village, that Gram Sarpanch. He is and ward members also there. Along with them, they have to discuss with the people and they have to arrange the funds to collect the funds to ask to the MDO office or MDP of Mandal Praja Parishad office. They have to bring the funds and they have to new buildings, new roads and drainages they will construct it. Next we have to learn about that post office. Every village have one post office, and is that people who's that posted the letters, they have to send it to the door to door. Who send the postman? That post office helps in the sending and receiving letters and parcels from the people staying far away. Yes, the post office what they works, the post office the posted letters to sending to the door to door. Who is sending that village? Those who are this village people are far away from the village, they have to sending parcels or letters or moneygrams and telegrams they have to sending. The postman will, post office is there, head postmaster will be there and postmasters distribute the letters and parcels to the door to door. How they send it to the door to door? They posted that house number in that post and they have to send it to the door to door, the postman. Person who carries the post is the connecting link for such services. In addition, post offices also help villagers save their money through the different government schemes. Yes, the person who is carries the post, ఎవరైతే ఆ పోస్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చారో they have to connected link to the people in that village, those who are living, because they have to know who are that, what are the name of the persons, which house number belongs to which ward. They have to know. Because of that they need addresses. Then they have to giving parcels to the easy that houses and that such services. In addition, the post offices helps to villagers save their money. Yes, in the post offices they have to establish the savings, money savings schemes according to the governments. In the post office also have like the schemes, they have to pay the post office monthly, yearly, they have to put in the post office to money, and they have to encourage the schemes of government. These are the post office works in a village. Next we have to go to that primary health center. Next we have to go to that primary health center. What is the primary health center means? Hospitals. Village level one hospital is a must because of the people. Anybody illness is coming means where they have to go? They go to that primary health center. In the primary health center hospitals, who will be there? Doctor and lady doctor and nurse, compounders and ward boys. They have to do works in the primary health centers. Otherwise sub-centers also there. Sub-centers, if it is a small village means we have to put the sub-services centers in that villages. Doctors associated by nurses or health workers in looking after health issues of people in village. They have to look after the health issues of in the villages. What is that we have to learn? As usually doctors are associated by the nurses or health workers in looking after health issues of people in villages. In addition to this, they also organize public health programs on health and hygiene for the villages, such as the pulse polio vaccination drive. Example, pulse polio vaccination. In the every April, yearly twice we have to arrange the programs like health programs like examples pulse polio. This is that vaccination for the small children below 5 years children. They have to compulsory vaccinate. Because of that polio we have to throw out of our country. That doctors will be there and they have to look after the people, those who are ill persons in their villages. And workers, health workers also giving the medicines and injections to the ill persons, peoples. In this health center programs also conducting the villages, mandal level, village level. Because of that we have to know, we have to arrange the health programs means it is those who have any some problems they have to know, and that health problems health issues we have to given to the medicines that people. It is useful to health programs in the villages. It is helpful to the people. Next one, veterinary hospital. This is also one of the type of hospital because of hospitals serve the as health centers for cattle and domestic animals. This is that hospital is that animals hospitals for that serve to the cattle and domestic animals. We have to learn about that. See, veterinary hospitals serve as health centers for cattle and domestic animals. People take care their sick cattle or other domestic animals to their veterinary hospital. The veterinarian treats the sick animals and the support staff take care them of the animals. The support to the workers, another veterinary hospital workers will support to the help in the animals to take care. Yes, in the hospital of that animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, dog. They have to suffer from pain. They have to cut their legs or anything happens means we have to take and go to the veterinary hospital. In veterinary hospital, who are that one doctor and nurse, compounder. All our members are there to help to treatment to the animals, to help in the animals. Why they are to help? They don't know how to take the medicines. Then the compounder and nurses are to care them of persons to treatment. This is that in the public institutions have. Now I will show some pictures to you. This is the post office where the post letters, parcels are coming to the village. This is the post office. Post office who are the head postmaster and postmaster. The postmaster distribute the letters to the door to door, house to house. And next one, that this is the primary health center or sub centers. What is that primary health center? That is that one doctor and compounder, nurses, health workers are help into the treatment to the people. This is for every village have the PHC, that is primary health center. The health workers look after the peoples who are ill. By taking medicines, they have to clearly given to the suggestions how to take the medicines to the person. Next, veterinary hospital. What is the veterinary hospital? Veterinary hospital look after that animals, sick animals. This is the veterinary doctor. He is look after the cattle. He is giving to treatment to the cattle. Okay na? Okay, this is a veterinary hospital, and that just you see the checkpoint. This is the one questions. Answer these questions is there. See, look here. First question is the what is the primary function of Grama Panchayat office? What is the Gram Panchayat primary function? They have to associate in the Gram Panchayat office. That is the primary function of the Gram Panchayat. Next one, B is that why is the person who carries the post important in a village? Who was that? The postman will carries the post important in a village. What is that? Who will bring the posters? The postmaster. Third one, C is there. What is the difference between primary health center and veterinary hospital? What is the difference between the primary health center and veterinary hospital? It is the difference from the primary health center is look after the people, and veterinary hospital is look after for the domestic animals and pet animals. These are the primary health center and veterinary hospital differences, and list the different kinds of works done by the primary health centers. List the primary health center. What is that? The primary health centers have those who are ill persons are they have to treatment given in the hospitals, and medicines they have to give it, and the public health programs also held it hygienic for the villages to, and the pulse polio vaccination drive also they have to done. These are the answer these questions checkpoint in this lesson. The page number 50, you should write the question answers and send with the WhatsApp group. First A, second B, third C, fourth D. These 4 question answers you should write answers. That only I will say 2 answers to you in the WhatsApp group only. You should write and put the photo in our WhatsApp group. Okay now? This is our lesson. Up to here we have to complete it. Next session we have to learn about the another facilities of our village. Thank you.